guys, it's pretty early in the morning. Actually it's not, I just woke up really early this morning. We are currently still on the cruise ship to get to St. Lucia. I can already see the massive island. Let me just show you guys. Oh, that's in the way. All of that. So yeah, that's St. Lucia, guys. I'm so excited for this. Is one of the islands that I've been really waiting for, like in St. Lucia. Like, come on, it's really good. Apparently, my friend said that it was really good and everything. So I'm super excited, and it's really nice. Like, I can see everything clearly. On the camera, you can see it like a bit more further away, but in real life, you can see it up really close, and it's so nice. Honestly, it's a little bit windy today. Because obviously I'm up on deck 9, so obviously it's going to be windy. What a stupid one. We'll be today in St. Lucia. I don't exactly know what we will be doing, but I believe it's something like we will be visiting a crystal waterfall, so like actual crystal waterfall. And then one thing I'm super excited about, what we will be visiting is we will be driving through a volcano, the only drive-through volcano in the whole entire world. So you cannot find this anywhere else. There's only one in St. Lucia, and we're actually going it. How sick! The whole trip lasts like 7 hours. Oh yeah, and I remember we're also going to this coconut place, like coconut factory, where they used to like produce like coconut and like make something out of coconut. I don't know, I'll just record the whole journey for you guys, and it's going to be really sick and nice, and I'm super excited. This whole trip lasts about 7 hours, and then we have to go back to the cruise ship, and then yeah, we're off to Grenada tomorrow. Grenada, I don't really know how to call it, but that's alright. I'll just talk about this whole Grenada thing tomorrow, not today. Today is St. Lucia. I'm super excited about St. Lucia, and yeah, what else can I say? I'm so excited. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash that thumbs up. I keep forgetting to say it at the end of each vlog because I'm always super tired, so I always go to bed. But do subscribe to my channel, and do leave a like on every video you like. Obviously, but don't do dislikes. We don't like dislikes, but it's alright, it's alright. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you all guys when I'm actually off the ship. Massive viewpoint in St. Lucia. As you just saw, there was a massive journey to go to this viewpoint. He was telling us about all the plants and all the hills. There's loads of mountains over here and everything, and yeah, the view is amazing, and let me show you a little clip of it. such an amazing view. And as I was coming into the bus, it gave me this little thing. It looks like a grasshopper. It's okay. Coconut water. It's okay. It just tastes like water, but just like not warm, not hot. And it's got a little taste of coconut. That's practically it. It's not that bad, but I wouldn't drink it. Guys, I'm at another viewpoint and I'm just about to show you all these views behind me. So here we go. Arrived at another viewpoint. Where is my hat? Anyway, where's my hat? Matthew, where's my hat? Anyway, we have arrived at another viewpoint. As you can see behind me, I'm just going to show you another clip of what it looks like. Yeah. Look at those palm trees dance. I have arrived at this like nature. No, some nature. There's loads of trees, plants everywhere, and he's just telling us what everything is and yeah, wherever it comes from and stuff like that. Yeah. Chocolate.
That's another type of philodendron.
Chocolate.
Orange red. Cacao.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Ah, it started to rain, but as you can see, there's a lot of chocolate. Look at those palm trees dance. Like a massive waterfall you just saw. I actually love this. I love tropical things. I love trees, like honestly. It just makes me feel so much better, like so much nicer. I don't know, I just find it so fascinating. It's so funny, like it's so stupid, but it's actually like really relaxing and really nice. I really like it, so that's sick. And like half of these plants here, I don't even know, like and yeah, that was the crystal waterfall. But my hand is fully black now. Hey. So yeah, we're just still walking, and then later on we will be driving through the volcano, the only drive-through volcano there is. That's so sick. Hey.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Macho, what are you doing? You good, bro? We have arrived at this volcano place. It stinks of rotten eggs. A bit like Macho's fart. It stinks so bad. No joke.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
This house here is where most slavery films were filmed. How cool is that? Not all of them, but some of them, so yeah. Guys, that's a wrap of today. On the last little bit of the day, I didn't really manage to film because there was a situation where my camera battery just had to die, you know. Usually a whole battery lasts me like a whole day, but today it didn't, so yeah. By the way, St. Lucia is such a beautiful country. It's so nice, like it's so tropical, it's so green. Like if I would in the future, I would come back here again. It's so nice. And I made a new friend called Romeo, and he was like selling all these stuff, and it's so funny how they all like sell stuff. They're like, come on, £1, $1, $2, no, okay, cheaper, I'll charge you 2 for 5, I don't know. And they do like all these deals, and it's so funny, and I find it so hilarious. But yeah, that's practically it. And then we went on the beach because oh my god. They literally just get the light. I'm vlogging. What are they?